Hello everyone, this is the practical session where we are going to talk about DateTimeFormatter class. So this is one of the very common place where you will be using formatting the date and formatting the time based on your logics or how they want the business wants, right? So this is very important to understand what is DateTimeFormatter in class in Java and how we can use it efficiently in our program. So when I say DateTimeFormatter class, this is nothing but this class has been created by Oracle Java developers. Basically, this is another class which was created by Oracle Java developers and put it in the java.time package. And this is used to deal with formatting the date and time based on our requirements. So what it actually contains. Let me click on the DateTimeFormatter class. Yeah, if you see here, it is a final class, which means like it was given by Oracle. We cannot change it, and it has been introduced since Java 1.8. And this class is immutable and also thread safe, right? And they have created like so many methods and logics here, and we are going to use it in our programming. Basically, we are not going to worry about how they have created this one, but we need to know about how to use that efficiently in our program to make it efficiently working. So let me run this program to see the output and see go from there. So let's say I have local date and time, right? So local date time class, right? We have seen in the previous videos, local date time. So local date time dot. So I can assume, let's say 2015 January 25 6:30, right? This is the time I want to give it, right? And I want to get it as a object, local date and time object. So whenever you are trying to do something in your program, first thing is if you know what value you want to pass it. So always better give the date and time here like this. If you want to put it in the format, you can use for. Otherwise, you can use parse, right? Parse method is also you can use it, right? Either way, you will get a local date and time object. On that one, you have a method called format, right? So whenever you want to format something from one format to another format, you have to use the method called format. On that format, you have to give what format you want to print it, right? So either you can go for an ISO date format, like which is like an ISO standard format. Otherwise, you can go for your own pattern. So what I did here is first I printing what is the local date and time. By default, it is showing, right? If you see here 2015 01 25 T 0630, right? So this is the time. T means time and 630 is the time and this is the date. So date and time is the combination for local date time class. And now I am going to format it with the help of ISO date. So ISO date actually what it does is it will give only the date with the help of hyphen symbol, only the date, no time, because I am giving only date, right? And similarly, if I want to define my own pattern, this is what we usually do it in our actual day-to-day life. So what you can simply do is the local date and time dot format. Within that format method, you can pass the formatter, datetime formatter of pattern. What type of pattern you want, YYYYMMDD or however you want, you can pass it. Based on the pattern you specify here, that will be coming as a string and you can use it in your program. So this is mainly used whenever you are trying to print the outputs of some debugging area and you want to see what time that particular piece of code has been executed and you want to compare the timeline with when the issue has occurred, like that. So there are so many places where we can use this date and time API in Java, and this is very important to understand how it actually works. And mainly in my experience, I can say that this is mainly we use in our daily day-to-day life, where you will be formatting to your own format. However, the business requirements. Some clients wants YYYYMMDD and some clients wants MMDDYYYY. So depends on however we want, we can define our own pattern here and then you can actually format it. So this is very important to understand. I hope you guys have understood this concept. So whenever you are watching this video and whenever you're trying to write the program, so always go and play around all these methods or all the other possible ways that you can define this particular classes and how you can play around over here. So I hope you guys have understood the basic high level outline of date time formatter class in Java. And if you guys have any questions, please post your comments. I will be more than happy to assist you guys. Until the next video, I will signing off from you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.